ẹ fẹ́ ṣẹ́ kí wáyé as we dey go we dey know máa gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ sí wáyé ẹ̀yin ọmọ bẹ́nẹ́bẹ́nẹ́.
Chai!
Production is a biological process by which individual abilities, offspring, can be produced by their parents. And we have two types of reproduction. They are sexual and asexual reproduction. Any question?
My question is that I don't really understand that reproduction. Can you just explain?
Inside the VIP, you see what I see.
Any other question?
For reproduction, what is the best sex position for lady who get big patas?
What do you mean by that?
She mean that reproduction.
Get right here, man.
When anyone comes back to reproduction,
Sórí pé báyìí, ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ń bá mi sọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn eruku yapa jápa tán bá mú ẹ sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ń wá mi.
Hello.
Yes, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
I have everything.
ọmọ bẹ́nẹ́bẹ́nẹ́. ẹ̀yin ọmọ benefit ẹ rọra ọ̀pẹ́sì wa kẹ́ má lọ gba gẹ́fẹ́ndì wa as we dey go we dey know ẹ fẹ́ ṣẹ́ kí wa as we dey go we dey know máa gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ sí wa ẹ̀yin ọmọ